So, got a little bit of a science experiment this afternoon. The goal of which is to determine what is in my van's fuel tank. Now, it has started exhibiting some really odd symptoms very suddenly in the last few days. And one of the thoughts that came into my mind is that maybe a few days back when I filled it up last, I put petrol in it as opposed to diesel, which might actually explain what I'm seeing. So what I have here are gasoline, diesel, a mix that's about 5 to 1 gasoline to diesel, and my van. So what I would love to find is that my van acts exactly like this mix, even though just looking at it, I'm not so sure. And that would be great news because then I get to empty the tank, put diesel in it, and away I go. So, for the record, I am sure that I'm not wearing proper safety equipment to be doing this, but I'm going to do it anyways. So I just have safety glasses and some gloves. So first, let's do just a little bit of gasoline and a little bit of diesel. And what I expect to find is that the gasoline is going to flame up, it's going to light really easily, and the diesel might not light at all even. So let's see what happens. Alright, gasoline lights up right away, diesel not at all. Alright, that's expected. You just put that out. So diesel tanks explode under compression, whereas gasoline tanks have a spark plug to ignite the explosion inside the engines. And gasoline is also much more refined than diesel, so it doesn't surprise me too much that it lights pretty easily. It's what I expected to find. Okay. Let's do the next two now. Here we'll put in the mix that I also expect to light pretty easily because it's mostly gasoline. And here's my van, which I'm praying ignites very easily as well. Try not to set me or anything else on fire as I do this. Alright. So here comes the mix. Lights easily. My van. Not at all. Alright, so that kind of sucks. That means my van does have diesel in it, and I've got to figure out what else is wrong. But one thing off the list, and a nice little science experiment for the afternoon on a beautiful day. So it's not so bad.